Psalms 37:25 says, I've been young, but now I'm old. Yet nor have I seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seed begging for bread. Listen, I remember a time in my life, just a few years back, where I was only getting paid 10% of my pay. 10%. And I remember fear trying to rise up in me and get discouraged, the human side of us. But I remember going to God, and he reminded me of this scripture. He said, nor have I seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seed begging for bread. And he said, Trina, you're not going to have to want for anything. You don't have to beg anyone for nothing. I will provide. Listen, when I tell you God allowed people to put money in my mailbox, give money to me, and I was like, what is this for? And they said, God told me to give this to you. I don't know why, but he said, give this to you, and I'm walking in obedience. I want to encourage you to say, it doesn't matter where you are or what you may be going through. God will not leave you out there alone to fend for yourself.